video, I want to explain you how to update your user profile in AlexaMaster. So for example, if you want to change your name, in case you are going to change your name, you can change it easily through the settings on the top menu here. Just have to click the settings section and you can find update profile button here. Also, it helps you to upload images, reset password, update email, update billing details. Also private, you can go convert your account into a private profile, then other people cannot see you. So these features are here under your account settings. And let's say also I'm going back to my dashboard. Here also you can click on this area. When you click on this area, you can access update profile, reset password, and upload images. How to update your profile? Just then click here. So this is my first name, programmer, last name, Dilanta. Okay, I'm going to change my first name, developer. So developer, Dilanta. And going to change my birthday here like this, and of course I keep the gender same, and I change promote websites here, and the software engineer, programmer, and the star sign like this. Now I update my profile. Here we go. Now you have your updated profile here. You can see the name, first name has been changed. Here, I say developers comes up. Of course, when you click here, you can see the new name. If you want to change again, just click here, update profile, or go to the top menu here, go to settings and update profile. So I hope you guys can easily update your profile details through this tutorial. Thanks for watching.